My friends, it's Coach V. Begin your day the best possible way with morning yoga, all body weight, no weights or machines needed at all. Yes! All right, modify as needed. Always use control. And remember, if you don't do your morning yoga,
you get nothing. You lose.
All right, bring it down onto your back. Hug the knees into your chest. Let me know if Addie wanders into the woods. Let's pull the knees in. You can always place a pillow behind your head or bring your head all the way down. Let's rock side to side. Okay. Addie let me know she's not in the woods. So pull those knees in, wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. Give a thumbs up if you're doing this with your dog and your dog is definitely making it extra interesting. But that's what Addie does. Been filming with Addie for almost 12 years now. Let's draw circles with the knees. Lots of breath. You can roll out of bed and do this routine. Do it anywhere, anytime. Great for all levels and ages. Circle, circle, nice and loose, massaging the back, pumping the breath into the body and expelling all the waste, figuratively speaking. Other direction, circle. Head up or head down. Oh, this does wonders for lower back mobility. The ability for your lower back to exist day to day with integrity, to flow, to move with freedom. Tips of the toes down, arms out. Drop those legs back and forth. We call this the windshield wiper. You can also bring the arms over the head. Every stretch flows right into the next. It's a non-stop extravaganza of energy, strength, flexibility, mobility. Extend the top leg out further. Exhale to the side, inhale to the center. Coordinating the breath with the movements. It adds so much power, not just to what we do right here, but throughout the day. Lots of oxygen, lots of energy. One more time each side. Knees back into the chest. Oh, there you are. All right, bring them in. Again, circle either direction. A little wider this time. You feel your abdominals being moved, being tugged, being massaged. I don't know about you. I carry a lot of tightness in my abdominals. I've gotten a lot better, actually. But if I do feel tension, if it comes, usually goes into here. So these movements release that and keeps me aware of it happening. Other direction. Circle, circle. Really feels good. Pull those knees closer. Keep the knees as close as possible without hurting yourself. And you pull them in. Nice stretch down the lower back, up the spine, up the muscles of the spine. All right, figure four. Take the right ankle on top of the left thigh. Wave away a Florida gnat. Right arm in between, left arm outside. We're going to pull. Now let's make this active, make it dynamic so it's moving. You're going to inhale, bend that leg, and as you exhale, pull the legs towards you and extend that left leg and press the right arm into the right leg. That's a lot to hear, but once you do it a few times, voila, like, there it is. One of our favorite stretches. Opening the hips, the glutes, the low back. Long stretch and addressing hamstring issues. Just do two more. Head up or down, my friends. That's right. Now pull, hold for an extra breath. Oh, just marvelous. What a gift we can do this together. Shake out the legs. Enjoy the breeze. And let's move to the other side. Left ankle on the right thigh. Clear your throat. Wave away the gnats. Now inhale, prep, exhale, pull towards you, extend that leg. Oh, hips, hip flexors, low back, glutes, everything in between. You're always welcome to do more. Pause when you need to. Let's do two more. Flex that right foot for an extra calf supplement right there, extra calf stretch. Addie's still right there, don't say anything. And pull, hold this, extra breathing. That's the stuff right there, isn't it? Keeps us going, keeps us motivated, keeps us loose. Shake out the legs, little bicycles. Ring, ring, ring that bell on your handlebars. Other direction. Click, 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 click. Okay. Now, bottoms of the feet together. You're going to love this one. Don't skip away. Go through the entire flow. Follow along. Because everything adds so much value. This is a supine butterfly. We have the chest open, abdominals open, hips open. Let's make it active. We're going to exhale, bring the legs together. Inhale, open. Use the hands if you like. For a little bit more movement, you could also open. Get the arch in the back. 4 more. Moving side to side. Noch 2 mehr. Open it up, open it up. You could switch the breath if you like. That would be inhale, up, exhale down. Just make sure there's a good steady drawing of the breath and expelling of the breath. Hands on the legs, press side to side. I have to mic my spine sometimes. You hear those beautiful cavitations, those adjustments. As your body places itself back where it needs to be, the bones, the muscles, ligaments, tendons going into alignment. Arms over the head, full stretch. Arching the back slightly, getting the curve in the lumbar area of the spine, the lower back. Pull the arms down into cactus arms. Press them into the ground, elbows in, arching further as you open the hips. 2 breaths. Perfect for the new year and beyond. All right, shake out the legs. That's enough time on our backs. Let's roll onto the side. Press up. Okay. And coming into downward facing dog. If that's a little too much, bring the knees down into child's pose. Right on. Up we go. First down dog. Might feel a little cold. Let's walk the legs. Start here. You still okay? I'm watching her. She wants to go into the woods. She doesn't hear very well, so if I say something, either she ignores me or she really doesn't hear me. Now, as we walk, we add the upper body. What that looks like: right heel goes down and we press to the side. Left heel goes down, we press to that side. Huge stretch all the way down the back. Let me get back on here. Okay. I can't get off the mat too long. I feel lost. Sink that heel down, press into the palm. What a good sweetheart. Addie just turned 12. It's looking good. She moves well. She's happy, she eats very well. She's very orange. She still looks like Doug from the movie Up. Oh, hold on. Sneaky. Let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, hi Annie, and 4, right leg forward. Pigeon. Pigeon pose, left leg back, right leg forward. Got your tushy. And let's rock it side to side, massaging down into the glutes, the hips. This back leg is shining. It's shining? Who said it was shining? I did. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. Shining back leg. I've been singing too many Christmas carols, a lot of shining. Okay, now bend that back leg. Drop the shoulders back. Let's add a pulse like we did with the figure 4. We're gonna lower it down with the inhale, exhale, flex. Might be one of our favorite new pigeon variations, perhaps. 2 more. Then we're gonna hold it right there. Drop the shoulders. All right, now hold this, drop the shoulders back, lifting higher, opening the chest. All right, she's just at the cusp. 2 more breaths. I had to bring her. I love filming with Addie. All right, leg back, extend forward, stretch, stretch, stretch. Downward facing dog. Walk it out. How you feeling? Don't forget, share this video with a friend who definitely needs some stretching, needs some energy, needs something new to do to youthen their bodies, make them stronger, more focused. Okay, pigeon, other side, left leg. Going tall. Okay, we're nice and tall. Flex that back leg 5 times. We're gonna exhale, flex, lifting tall. Inhale down. Word to the wise, Addie sometimes gets very amorous when I film. I mean, can you blame her? Look at this beautiful pigeon pose. Shoulders back and down 2 more times. There's a leaf on your butt. And once more, let's hold it. Lift higher. This foot can come further forward. It all comes together with the body weight and the gravity. Oh, so good. Step back. Child's pose. Let's rock it back and forth. We're going to electrify the spine in the back with this move. Inhale forward, drop the hips, open up. Back to child's pose. Flex the feet if you like. And open the chest. Thank you, Addie, for that sound. Stretch the spine. Money can't buy you love. Money can't buy you a flexible, mobile, youthful body. You got to work for it. Do this every day. Follow along. Anywhere, anytime. One more time. Pressing up. Feels so good on the back. Also strengthens. And child's pose. Okay, bring it up. Shake out the arms. Shake out the legs. Oh, wait. Shake out the legs. There we go. Sumo squat, feet diagonally, hands on the thighs. Right here, rock it side to side, we had a twist. Stand up tall. Switch the hands, whichever feels the most comfortable. There we are. Nice workout for the glutes, as well as opening the hips and this beautiful rotation. Now, hands on the thighs. We could stay here or come all the way down into a garland squat. Back and forth. Hi there. There we go. Addie's my favorite beast in the world. Side to side. Sinking the tailbone down, we're lifting tall. Yeah, that's so nice. Roll out of bed, do this anywhere, anytime. Okay, now seated position. Let's finish it off. Shake out the legs, shake out the arms. Grab the ankles, calves, toes. Let's walk the legs. One at a time. Really press the back of the leg down. Ah, so good for the hamstrings, the calves. A good morning to you, my friends. Okay, take the hands back behind you. Open to the sun. Drop the shoulders back. Relax the jaw. Back bend, opening up your breath. Doing battle with the rolling shoulders all the time. Rolling shoulders, they go forward like that. Cuts off your energy, your breath, your life. That's why cell phones and tiny screens are so incredibly dangerous to our health and well-being, among many reasons, but this is just death right here. Death. Back pain, neck pain, not breathing properly, mentally shutting yourself off. Open up, open up. We need you out there. Want to see your face. And again, forward, walk the legs. Or you could bend both and press them down. One more time. And back. Oh, so nice. Slide the hands back, rocking side to side, wiggle the fingers and the toes. Don't underestimate the power of keeping your fingers and your toes loose, and your wrists and ankles, the whole area. That tension will build up and turn your body into a stone. A stone. All right, shake it out. Oh, excellent work, my friends. If that helped, click that like button right now. I want you to share it with somebody who really needs to get moving, to take control of their life and boost their energy. If this helped, also hit that subscribe button, and very important, the notification bell right up there. Click that to never miss one of my workouts. It's me, Coach Vigue. It's a new year. Anywhere, anytime, my friends. Look at the gnats by the camera. They're so excited. I love when gnats are excited. And as always, Coach Vigue will see you around. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.